Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P50 Pro, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature on this device. So first you should go into the app gallery, because we should just get the Ampere application and enter here Ampere. And now we have to get this application, so tap here to download. Wait a second. Now just click here allow, tap to install, and as can you see, our Ampere app installed successfully. Now we just should open the app. Here click yes I agree, click close, click here to OK, and on the left down corner again to OK. And as can you see, here we got the section with the temperature of our device battery. At the moment that's 32 and 2 degrees. Also here we got the section with the health of our battery, the level, the model, Android version, and more other information. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.